Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right refrigerator door closing cam, be sure to unplug the power cord. Unthread the Phillips head screw to release the right top hinge cover. Lift off the cover and use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the front and rear mounting screws, securing the hinge to the appliance. Leave the two side adjustment screws intact. Support the door as you remove the hinge. Open the refrigerator door to a 90-degree position and have an assistant help you to lift the door off of the hinge bushing. Set the door on a towel or blanket. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws, securing the door stop. Remove the stop and unthread the screws securing the closing cam. Pull the old cam out. Install the new closing cam by inserting it into the bottom of the door and securing it with the screw. Replace the door stop and thread the screws. You should confirm that the new closing cam is properly set. To do this, unthread the screws to release the center hinge from the frame. With the hinge base parallel with the door, insert the hinge pin and bushing into the hole. Now rotate the hinge so the base is at a 90-degree angle to the door to reset the cam. Remove the hinge and reattach it to the frame. Set the door on the hinge bushing at a 90-degree angle, and you should be able to close it properly. Realign the top hinge and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Replace the cover and secure it with the screw. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.